Hello guys. So first of all, a very good morning to all of you. So in this morning, I wanna shoot a video on about introduction, and I know that how much introduction is important and crucial for your speaking part. So when I used to practice English speaking in my lockdown time when I was in my high school, so I used to practice on only on introduction part and daily routine. So in this video, I'm going to share about that how can you introduce about yourself in speaking part. And just I did, and I have done my exercise, and I thought that I should create another video on introduction part. How can you improve your communication skill, and how can you improve your speaking English? Okay, and without practice you cannot achieve anything. So in this video guys, you will learn a lots of things. So let's begin. Okay, so first of all, two types of introduction. Okay, two types. One is formal introduction and second is informal introduction. So formal introduction mean when you are with your friends, with your colleagues, with your elders, and someone asks you that what is your name and how where you belong to. Okay, so in formal introduction you will say only your name, and after that your place where you live. Okay, so for example, hello, this is Abhishek. Yeah, my name is Abhishek, and I live in Dangi. So only this two line is formal introduction. Okay, so you know that how we can use this formal introduction when you are some parties or in engagement or in festivals. If someone asks you, so then you can introduce about yourself in only on in two lines. Okay, so here in this video uh, I will introduce about myself, that how you will speak in introduction. Okay, so in informal format. Okay, informal format mean your name, your education background, your personal traits, your hobby, and all about you in your introduction. Okay, so how you will use your introduction. If someone asks you in introduction in interview, if someone asks your elders, your teachers, if you are going to take admission in college, in school, so you can use informal introduction. Once again I repeat, uh, you will not say the formal format, only use informal format. Okay, so let's begin from informal introduction. So, first of all, good morning to all of you. I would like to share about my introduction, and I am so glad that I have got this opportunity to introduce myself, or you can say it, this is my golden opportunity to introduce myself. So, this is the theme, that how you will represent yourself in the stage or in someone that who is asking you the question that how to introduce yourself. Okay, I hope you got it. If you will not got it, so I will describe in the comment section in description box, and after that you will read and note down and remember this part. So, and the formal informal format, first name. Okay, so my favorite, how I will introduce myself introduction, this is Abhishek. Okay, so you can use this is Abhishek, and from my name, my personal informations, you can replace you can replace my name and use your name or your personal information. Okay, so name, this is Abhishek, or you can say it, my name is Abhishek, and you can say it, I am Abhishek. So sometimes people use myself. Okay, myself is a grammatical error, so you cannot use here the myself. Okay, so I will explain in another video why you cannot use myself. Okay, so name has done that, this is Abhishek, my name is Abhishek, or I am Abhishek. After that, background means where you live. Okay, so I live in Dangi, and I, or you can say that I belong to Dangi. You can say it, I born in Dangi and I brought up and in Dangi. I born and brought up in Dangi. Or if you are a student or you are a worker and you live in another place, now you doing your job in another place, so you can say that I live in Uttarakhand, but currently I live in Delhi. Okay, so this is your background, and after that your education background. What is your education? I have done my intermediate from GIC Pralidhar, Uttarakhand, Rudraprayag, Uttarakhand, and I have done my certificate in computer degree, and now I am pursuing my graduation with BSc honors. So um, this is your education, and if you have some another certificate or degree, so you can also introduce here. Okay, after that, your how what is your personal hobby? Okay, so my hobby is do exercise and reading novels, and practice on English speaking, and talk with my colleagues, my friends lots in college time. Okay, so this is my hobby. And after that, personal traits means what you have ability and special thing. Like I have a ability that I have lots of responsibility. If someone give me some opportunity to complete that task, so I have this quality, and until I will not complete that task, so I will dedicate it on that task. So I have this type of quality. It's when I have lots of responsible uh, and reply for the other person. So this is my personal, and I am so hardworking and honest for my hardworking. So this is my personal traits. If you have some personal traits, so you can also include here. And after that, last in thank you to listen me, and this is all about me. And or you can say it that thank you to listen me, and I hope you will enjoy the my session. Okay, so this type of introduction you can say it, and I will write in description box so you can note down. So I think this is more than enough. Okay, so first, all my friend asked me that how I can use practice in English speaking. So guys, first of all, you will work on your introduction part, and after that, daily routine. Introduction mean, someone times you feel that nervous that I cannot speak English, how I can explain myself. Okay, so I want to say you that in introduction part only, you will try, I think, thousands of times on your introduction part, until you will not practice on this sessions, so you cannot speak English, you will not getting a confidence, and you cannot boost your confidence among the peoples, among the friends. Okay, so through the social media, I think this is the best option. You can shoot your video of introduction part, and also you saved your number on WhatsApp by your name, and record your voice note and send yourself, and after that listen your voice. So I think this is enough for your practice part. So thank you. If you have some queries, so you can write in comment section. And what is my level, and do you enjoy me? If you will feel that you want to more videos, so please write in comment section. And also, guys, I am doing practice on my communication skill. How can I improve? So I choose my YouTube medium, and I think this is very best way. So you can also help me, and I would like to thank you to all you to listen me, and keep consistent and keep learning. See you tomorrow. Thank you.